back to my channel. I am going to be doing my top 12 favorite squishies. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm going to be going to 12 to 1. So yeah, my 12th favorite squishy is this. Sorry about the background noise. It's this little thing. It's very soft. I like it because my best friend gave it to me. Here's the little tag thing. Then this one is from my dad at a skate party for my Girl Scouts. So my 10th favorite is this one. My best friend got it to me. I like this one the most out of these two because it's so rising and soft. I don't know why, I just like the face. It's cute. Well, at least in my opinion. I'll take this out of the packaging. I know some of you guys don't like the noise. So then my 9th favorite is this dog. I don't really like this one because it's really dense, but it's still very cute. And then this ice cream, it's really soft but a little dense, and it gets so affected easily. I don't squish this one at all, really, and it's not that sorry. And these look like pimples, not to be mean, but it has really good texture. This one isn't really my favorite because it's not as rising much. I still really like it. It's in pretty good condition, actually. The bottom's not really defected. Popcorn's pretty good. It has some air bubbles at the top, as you can see. Then the next one is this one. I had this one not for a long time. I've only had it for a couple of weeks. And it's kind of really defected, but I still like it. One of my favorites. Next is this, not an Eric cake. It's like a reproduced one. The Eric cakes are way too surprising for me, so I just got the reproduced one. Oh, sorry about my nails. I painted them on my friend's party today. Actually, I didn't paint them. Her aunt did. Mom was just talking about my brother. Oh gosh. 10. Sorry guys. So 12, 11, 10. My fourth favorite is this one. It's so surprising. My mom got it for me at Lewis. It's very surprising. It was only $3. So yeah. I really recommend this. Next is this really surprising orange. Okay. Next, my second favorite is this watermelon. They're from Family Dollar. If you could see, this one shows a lot better than this one. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like. And then my first favorite one is this. It's very soft. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that notification button so you get notified every time I make a video. And also, don't forget to comment down below. Let's see. Which one is your favorite squishy? And don't forget to like this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.